Hey y'all, welcome to Friday's Kitchen. Welcome back if you have been here before. In today's video, we are making these delicious carrot cupcakes. If you're interested in seeing how I made them, stay tuned. Also, while you're here, please take a moment, look down below, press that red subscribe button, join the family, come back for some more recipes. Without further ado, let's get into it. Here we have the ingredients for the cupcakes. I will include the recipe down below in the description box so you can go there for the measurements. But here we have all-purpose flour, ground cinnamon, salt, baking powder, and baking soda. Here we have granulated sugar, vegetable oil, grated carrots, eggs, and vanilla extract. We're going to start by adding the eggs to the mixer, then we're going to turn the mixer on and mix until we have broken the yolks. Now that we've broken the yolks, we're going to go in with the vegetable oil and we're going to mix for a few until that is well incorporated. Now we're going to slowly add the granulated sugar to the mixture. Now that we have the oil, eggs, and sugar mixed well, we're going to stop the mixer and slowly add in the flour mixture. We're going to start by adding half, turn the mixer on, mix it a bit, and then turn the mixer off to add the other half. One thing I forgot to do here was add the vanilla extracts. After I turned the camera off, I did go in, add it, and then mix it a little more. So you could add the vanilla extract prior to adding the flour. Before or after is fine. I just typically do it before adding the flour. So now we're going to stop the mixer and go in with the other half of the flour mixture. We're going to mix until well incorporated. All right, so now that we have everything mixed in well, we're going to add our grated carrots to the mixture. So once we get to this point, we're just going to mix long enough to make sure that we have the carrots mixed in well with the batter, and then we'll go ahead and turn the mixer off. Now I've turned the mixer off and we're going in with the spatula to scrape down the sides of the bowl. Once we've done that, we're going to turn the mixer back on really quickly, give everything one final mix, and then we'll be ready to put our batter into the cupcake trays. Okay, so now it is time to add our liners to the tray and add our batter. I am using an ice cream scoop to do this because I find that's the best way to make sure that I have the same amount in each of the trays. I have the ice cream scoop filled up maybe 3/4 of the way, not all the way to the top, because if you fill it all the way, the cupcakes will spill over. Now that we have filled all the liners, we are going to place them into a 350-degree oven and bake for a total of 18 minutes. While the cupcakes are baking, we're going to go ahead and make our cream cheese icing. Here we have 12 ounces of softened cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of softened unsalted butter, 1 cup of powdered sugar, and we will be using 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We're going to start by adding the cream cheese and butter to the mixer. Once we've done so, we're going to go ahead and turn the mixer on and mix those two things together just a bit. At this point, we are going to add the vanilla extract and continue mixing. Now we're going to stop the mixer, add the powdered sugar, and continue to mix. This recipe is different from the cream cheese recipe I would typically make. This was made this way to make it a less sweet icing. Now that we have mixed that in for a bit, we're going to turn the mixer off, scrape down the sides of the bowl to make sure we get everything that's stuck on the sides. Then we'll turn the mixer back on and give it one final mix. All right, so this is the finished product, nice and smooth. So we're going to go ahead, put this in a bag and get ready to pipe our cupcakes. Really quickly, this is just a quick shot of the cupcakes after I took them out of the oven. As you can see, they bake perfectly. So in the next clip, we will be icing the cupcakes. At that point, they have cooled and we have transferred them into the cupcake tray. Now that the cupcakes have been iced, I'm just going in with a little ground cinnamon and sprinkling some on top of each of the cupcakes. At the last minute, I decided to add some chopped pecans on top. So here are the pecans. I'm going to take them to the side, chop them really quickly, come back, and then sprinkle just a few on top of each of the cupcakes. All right, y'all, here is the finished product, our carrot cupcakes with cream cheese icing topped with ground cinnamon and chopped pecans. Y'all, these smell so good in the oven. I think anything baked with cinnamon always smells good as it's baking, but these are really, really good. If you like cream cheese icing, you prefer something not so sweet, I would definitely recommend giving this a try. It's still sweet enough that you know it's icing, not nearly as sweet as a typical cream cheese icing would be. If you guys have any questions about anything I've done in this video, feel free to leave them down below in the comment section and I will definitely get back with you. While you're here, I hope you take a moment to look down below, press that red subscribe button, join the family, come back for some more recipes. I thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.